Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by narrowing which Robert Knox you mean and why you need the image. This saves time. Once clear, pick the image type, engraving, portrait, or photograph, and note distinguishing details like date or collection. Make sure to compile a short source list. National archives, university libraries, and museum catalogs are priority. Digital image databases come next. Start searching with precise keywords and date filters so your results are relevant, and bookmark promising leads before moving to deeper access steps. Now you focus on obtaining a usable file. Use catalogs and databases to find high-resolution masters. Filter for high quality or TIFF when available. Once you find a record, note its accession number and metadata. This speeds requests. If the high-res file is restricted, email the archive or museum with a concise request stating purpose, intended use, and any deadlines. Make sure to ask about fees, licenses, and acceptable formats so you get exactly what you need without back-and-forth delays. Complete the process by confirming usage rights and downloading the final file. Verify the format and resolution. Request TIFF or 300 dpi JPEG for print, PNG for web with transparency. Once done, obtain written permission or confirm public domain status and save a copy of the license or email. Make sure to store a backup and note the correct attribution text for captions. If problems arise, file corrupt, missing metadata, contact the archivist with the accession number and request a.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.